My father was a musician. He played the violin. He played the violin even while he was still in Europe. My mother used to say that when he walked in the street with the violin, he held it hidden under his coat. I never truly found out why, whether he was afraid that someone was going to steal it or just to protect it. But fortunately, my brother and I both inherited the music. Music is my life, and it turned out to be my brother's too. He played the violin. My father taught him. I played the piano. I do music from the minute I wake up till I practically go to bed. I'm not only talking, popular music. I'm talking about deep, deep classical music. I have probably this whole wall full of music in my house. And I'm still being asked. I'm preparing a program next week for the synagogue. There's a Torah Fund luncheon, and I usually play. You know what else they did for me during World War II? I live nearby Newport, Rhode Island, where there's a huge naval hospital. And I was 16 years old, I'll never forget, and they asked me to go and play at that hospital while the sailors and soldiers, whatever they were recuperating. They had a little spinet with wheels that they rolled from ward to ward, and I played, and I shall never forget that. Yeah, it's till today I think of it, that I was all alone. I didn't even have anybody turn my pages. You know what I did one day? It was a Purim or one of the big holidays. Now, at the synagogue where I am, they have a huge room where they gather, for weddings and this and that. And they invited the cantor from Fall River and the cantor from New Bedford. And I played music that was given to me by somebody from New York. I'd never heard it. It was strictly for two voices in Yiddish. Gorgeous, gorgeous music. And we studied it, we practiced it, and I came out with the two of them on either hand after we finished, and that audience, they could not get over how gorgeous it was. And they went around calling my husband Mr. Anita Rasser. Just for an example of what I do.